SmartTrash is the world's most advanced technology for reducing trash compactor pickups. When a compactor crushes trash, it creates information about when it's cycled, the time of the cycle, and how much energy is utilized. This information is recorded and transmitted by the on-site SmartTrash computer. Information is then processed and analyzed to determine the optimal time to empty the machine. Based on this information, SmartTrash automatically schedules a pickup, so the machine can be emptied on a just-in-time basis, reducing the number of compactor pickups and saving you money.